Morning, happy day 81 of day trading the market open with the small account, and we're doing it today in Mexico, from the beaches of Mexico. Um, there's some stuff going on this morning. I'm gonna try to be quiet because it's an hour earlier in Mexico, so a lot of people are sleeping. But LYRA absolutely soared with phase 3 trial news from, let's see, what did this come from like $5 up until $40. So we all know Ross Cameron absolutely feasted on that stock pre-market. But for me, way out of my price range. So I'm watching IMNN, which is a multi-day mover, it looks like, and INM. INM is up 128%. IMNN is up 12%, but it's definitely more so in my price range. We got some other stocks popping up. We got BMGL, which I'm also kind of watching on the side over here, and everything else is just kind of blah for right now. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We got 30 seconds until the market opens. As of right now, those are the two that I'm going to keep up on my screen. But does not look like a very favorable day for me, stock picking wise. So we'll see how it turns out. Let's see. And we have the 200-day moving average right here on INM. It's going to be a tricky one today. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Game time. One second. And that's the bell, although got no sound on my computer here. It's alright. Let's do it. Highs is just past 3. Oops. Highs is just past 3 for IMNN. So let's see. That's a push through VWAP already. Halt up's 344. So we'll see if it moves through 3, and we'll see if it holds through 3. Let's get a little bit better of a zoom here. Get prepared for a 3 break if it does. Okay, 294. Nothing really happened at 294. INM pressure on 200-day moving average. New candle. New candle now. Just saw a buyer there on. Oh, buyer went away. Just a little bit of a seller already there at 299 for IMNN. Small buyer 290 IMNN. I will say I've been to this resort before. The execution times after I hit the hotkeys are a little laggy, so I do have to keep that in mind. Let's pressure at 3. Pressure at 3. Let's change the level 2 to something else to see if it's really buzzing. Yeah, I mean, internet looks fine. It's buzzing there for LYRA or whatever it is. Alright, so IMNN is still in this range here. Let's change the filter, or the whatever this is called. LYRA up 500% now. Sheesh. Alright, IMNN approaching 3 again. Here's 3. Seller at 3. Bigger seller at 3. Let's see if this. I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna watch that 3 seller and see if it gets chopped, and see if we start speeding up towards that level. INM just lost its 200-day moving average. BMGL up 30%. Let's check it out. Nothing really going on. It looks like IMNN is my best bet right now. Is it building pressure up towards 3? What we got going on here? I want this tape to speed up because it's looking dead. This is the day trading way. What's going to be the day trading way today? Day trading on the traveling day trading station. Let's see, 297. Seller's at 297. So that seller got chopped. Who's winning though? 297 still coming through. There's 298. 298, 299. Here's 3. Seller's at 3. Watching them. Seller 500, 540. I'm watching that 540 seller. There's 2 of them. All right, seller's winning that battle. Back to 299. That seemed like a little bit of a lag. It was either a lag or a flash. Back to 299. Okay, sellers are winning. Halt down's 234. I wouldn't really consider that true front side. That's why I didn't take that VWAP bounce. It's still kind of in that range. I would definitely take a lower band though if this keeps coming down. Which I don't think it will. We got 1 second till new minute and new minute. TIL, this is new to me. 37. INM is hurting. What else we got? NTRB, that's new to me. By new to me, it means I didn't look at it this morning. Alright, we got ugly stocks. A lot of ugly stocks in the stock market today. Let's watch BMGL instead of IMN. BMGL. Halt down's at 711. Lower band's at 674, so lower band's not going to be a play here. IMN pushing back towards 3. BMGL trying to push up to its 200-day moving average. All right, IMNN, are you going to go? 296, 297, 299. We still have these sellers there at 3. We're going to wait to see if they get chopped. I'm trying to decide if I actually want to play a breakout or not, though. I can go lower size, I suppose. Here's 3. Rejected off of 3 again. 292. I don't even recognize because I was looking at other stocks, but this looks like that bear trapped a little bit. Actually, twice. IMNN. Oh, the ask is at 298 and the bid's at 293. Let's see if this tightens up. Let's see if this tightens up and speeds up. Big red candle on BMGL. Maybe I can... Oh, BMGL trying to halt down. I'm just going to false halt. False halt for now. Oh, nice bounce. Nice bounce on the false halt. Missed that false halt. That was quick, though. Halt down still at 711. That was nasty. I'm gonna expecting more red candles like that from BMGL then. That red candle was 12%, 12.5%. That's gonna happen again, and I'm gonna get one of those near lower band if I'm still here. LYRA up 540% still. It's gonna be the day trading way. What's going to be the one trade everyone knows the rules? One day trade everyone knows the rules. Be specific. Halt down still 7-11 on BMGL. IMNN is still struggling here. Let's just see what's going on LYRA. Oh, baby. Look at that curl. Look at that curl. Surprised it wasn't more explosive through that like $32 area. Man. There's a lot of traders just absolutely banking on this today. Guaranteed. And there's probably also a lot of traders getting absolutely smoked on it too. Don't forget who's always a loser on every side of every trade. Every trade. Okay. INM's having a hard time with this 200-day moving average. I feel like it's kind of loud out here. I'm going to turn on my mic just a little bit. 200-day moving average here on INM. I guess I can use that as a floor. If I really wanted to. Could use that as a floor and try to ride it back to 5. It would be now. I'd have to hit it now. Nope. No love. I guess we just wait for IMNN. Because INM given no love. I think this thing's gonna go eventually. I just don't know really when. Of course, I'm not gonna sit here and watch it all day. Got the beach to get to, son. Red Solo Cup. I'll fill you up. Let's have a party. Alright. IMNN. Trying again. Spreads are still 3 cents here. $2.96, $2.94, $2.93, $2.95. 2-cent spread. Let's try to catch the speed on the tape on this one, because I think that's really going to be the biggest sign, is the tape's going to speed up before this thing explodes. So before the stock moves. So I'm going to try to do that LYRA up 60% now. Booming. It looks like it's halted up too. Yep, sure is. Halted up. Short squeeze. Now give me a short squeeze on one of these like $2 stocks. Come on now. Ooh, INM. That's the speed we're looking for. That was the speed we're looking for. Okay. Alright. Might have something to work with over here. INM. Alright. What's going to happen here? Probably a rejection off of VWAP. Back to EMA and or the 200-day moving average. There's a rejection off of VWAP. Are we going to take that dip? Yes, we are. Okay, I have no idea where it filled me at, really, because that was super, super laggy. But, oh shoot, I was going to say we're going to play the 200-day moving average as the floor there. What did it get me out at? 520. Oh, man. Holy smokes, and these hotkeys are different than the... I got different quantities on these hotkeys. Here comes 3 for INMN. Here's 3. I lost like $50 on that trade, I think. Here's 3. Break a 3. Come on! This is the same shit that happened last time. Gotta be shitting me. It's unbelievable. Dude, this traveling laptop sucks. I literally fixed all these settings with Dash Trader so that wouldn't happen. Alright, this thing, I need to try to get this with 3 holds. 303, 302, 302. VWAP's still down at 290. That wasn't a very explosive move through 3, but it definitely went from, 303 to 3 to 306. We saw the tape speed and we saw the sellers getting chopped, and we tried to jump in. Red Solo Cup, 305. Here's 306 again. 1 minute to make a new high would be right now. 307. There's 308. Let's have a party. Okay. Oh, BMGL, lower band. Shoot, missed a 40-cent bounce on a lower band on BMGL. I don't think I'd be able to take it anyways because of these hotkey prices. Because of these hotkey quantities. Guess I should probably at least try to figure out. Nope. Red Solo Cup. Let's have a party. 3. That's pre-market high too. I wonder if that's gonna bounce. We could try it. Could definitely try it. Try for the hold of. Ooh. It's kind of a surprise move in the same candle to 313. Little micro pullback there. 314. Is this thing gonna cruise? New minute. 316, 315. EMA's at 3. 309. 308. Try to go fishing near 3. Nope. No love near 3. Whoa. I don't know what's going on. I just tried to cancel all, and instead of canceling all, it added double position size to that attempted fishing expedition there for that stock near $3. So we're gonna have to be ready to flatten on TOS if necessary. Red Solo Cup. Let's have a party. New minute. $306, $309, 3-cent spread. Back to 306. Halt down's at 244. Oh, fingers are on the wrong hotkeys. Careful there, bud. About to overdraft the account. BMGL getting rocked again. I don't even know what that one's over there. I can't even trade that. Okay, 1 minute to make a new high. It's gonna be over 310 here for IMNN. 306, 308. 306. 307. 307. Halt down 244. It's testing 3. I don't want to play this test of 3. Because if 3 doesn't hold and this thing crashes another 10 cents. But it should bounce to 310 though. It's that 1 minute to make a new high. But it's really not showing any love here. Alright, 1 minute to make a new high, still over 310, 309-ish. Maybe we could play a bear trap with 3? Whoa. Whoa. That was flashy. That was flashy. Low volume, though. Low volume. Are we going to take it? Are we going to take this trap if this is going to be a trap? Still low volume. I don't think we can do it. That's too low volume. Alright, VWAP's at what? This thing crashes down 293. Let's have a party. There's a break of 3. Alright, either that was a lag, because I did not see 297, I don't think. Man. Oh man, INM ended up doing some funny business after I got out of it. Let's show trays. Oh, well, that's not working. Cool. Cool. Nope, no, wrong one. It's because I'm on the wrong one. Oh, man, it's booming now. You dog. You absolute dog. Can't even trade it anymore. Unbelievable. See, got in at 650 around EMA. Got out at 525. Just shy of a $50 L, and the thing ripped afterwards. Next candle was a 12% candle. Oh, that hurts. Hurts the 13% candle. It's alright. What are you gonna do about it? Can't do anything about it. Nice bear trap, though. Bear trap here. Not super nice one, but a big bear trap here. Look at that. That is a beautiful bear trap. 579. 21%. 21% bear trap move. Let's have a party. Red Solo Cup. Alright, this thing's got to get back over 3, but these topping tails are looking a little wicky. We're no longer on front side for IMNN. Front side is gone. Alright, so if I have 4 more days of this trading, I need to fix my hotkeys. I need to fix my hotkeys, and I need to fix this auto send issue again for Dash Trader. Let's see if we can maybe snag ourselves a little bear trap here. It's a real shame because INM has lots of potential. I mean, pre-market high is 940. This thing's at 7. It's got $2 more just to test pre-market high. New minute. Tape is really slowing down here for IMNN. Looks like traders are on INM and SY TR, of course. Hey, we got new movers here. We got new movers here. NIVF. NIVF. It's also a $3 stock. CDT. VWAP bounce there. See if this bear traps. Can take this one if I want. NIVF is up 63%. What did it do pre-market? Nothing? Ooh. Went to 450 then died. Okay. Let's watch. Good VWAP bounce from 3 to 330. But let's see if this thing crashes down and then takes out VWAP again at 315. Come on, give us a crash. Whoop, 1 minute to make a new high here, NIVF. See if it takes out 350. 1 cent spread. 47, 49, back to 47. $46, $41, $42, $45. Candle still looks pretty healthy. We have 30 seconds left. Oh, there's 50. Nope, ping pong. 40, 30. Yikes, IMNN getting smoked here. Oh no, I missed a break of 50. Fake break for now. Back to 50. Nope. 60. Yikes. This thing's all over the place. This thing is all over the place, NIVF. If it's speeding up, I got it. I mean, I'm gonna have to take it. Where is it at? 57, 56, 55, 54. Dang, I'm gonna have to play this thing through what? Like 4? That's crazy. It's going from like 77 flashing down to 67. So I would have been shaken out multiple times already. $75, $71, back to 70. Ooh. Yeah, that was yuck. Yuck. Went right to 30. Went right to 30. 330. Went from 370, 380 to 330 in a flash. That's exactly what we want to try to avoid. Looks like APDN was a reverse split. What did IMN end up doing? Is it still cruising? Yep. That's a shame. Still cruising. HKPD. Wasn't this a Chinese stock that ripped not too, like, I don't know, a year or so ago? A lot of stuff happening. IMNN. This thing looks like this is gonna lower band. Bands to make a dance. Bands to make a dance. Okay. Maybe I need to try to update my dash trader. Alright, 1 minute to make a new high is 340, but it's in a range, so I'm not going to be too thrilled about that, taking that. I could try to get out on one of these topping tails, but I mean, that's kind of risky, right? Kind of risky. Yo, I need to turn off that weed eater, dude. It's like ringing in my ears. Low volume here, super low volume. 30 seconds. 30 seconds till a new minute. 20 seconds till a new minute. There's 36. What's the VWAP at again? 320. Risking like 20 cents here. Oh, hate this thing, dude. I tried to take that trade again. I should just not trade on that window for now. So annoying. Try to take the 1 minute to make a new high over 340. So 356. It's really the 1 minute to make a new high again. Here's 356, 357, 359. Oh man. Cannot lie, I'm getting a little frustrated here with my systems. Buzzing, it's buzzing. EMA bounce. For now, EMA bounce. I got a trip to Puerto Rico. Okay. Remember, we got big sellers here at 382, so if this thing is going to curl and go, I really need to try to catch it. I don't think it's going to go yet. Well, I shouldn't try to predict it. Let's just watch the tape. That's... Okay. Alright, ran into problems at those sellers I was just talking about. VWAP bounce attempt has been taken. See if we capitalize. There's $40 profit. Trying to take half. That's half off. Use EMA as max loss now. Right there. And out. Alright, so, you know, we made 25 bucks back, I guess. So it's about $25 red day. Manageable. Happy with this bounce I took on this one, but unfortunate we're gonna recap these trades a little bit. Unfortunate that I ended up getting shaken out here, because if you're kind of new to my style, I like taking the EMA bounce off of a VWAP rejection for a stock that's moving quickly in order to kind of ride it back up to VWAP, which would have been here. It flashed under EMA, so I got shaken out on this bottoming wick here, and then it did exactly as I wanted it to, right back to VWAP. So unfortunate that didn't work out for me, but I'm happy I took the trade. I didn't chicken out on it, so I'm happy I took the trade. And then one over here, we were looking for an entry for a while on this guy. Ended up taking kind of a similar strategy where I was just discussing previously that there was big sellers up here. Look at these topping tails, and it rejected off of, well, at first I was hoping it was going to curl, and then boom, through this seller area, causing a little bit of a short squeeze. But it ended up rejecting off that seller area again, came down, didn't get super close to VWAP, but I took it anyways, because it was just a pretty decent sized panic flush, and then just sold half when it popped up decent, and then sold the rest. So $25 L on the day from Mexico, but I guess successful day nonetheless. I have to change my settings. I'm going to change my hotkeys right now to make sure my quantities are in line with what I'm kind of like mentally calculating in my head. Let's see if this thing bear traps for share size and estimated profit and risk management and risk to reward and all that fun stuff. But that's all for me. I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how you guys did today. I'm out of here. Peace.